But the big deal with data is we need to make better decisions. We are not in an economic capability worldwide with the amount of cash flow to be able to make poor decisions going forward. We need to increase the return on investment to increase productivity. So using data allows everyone to be able to make these better decisions, which will allow us to hire more people and really grow the economy globally.
Some of the data I thought aligned really well to what we've been seeing as we're talking to customers as well. And we heard that through some of the ways in which data shapes politics, right? And how these political campaigns really understand more and more about people and can find ways to really appeal to them and encourage them to vote for their candidate.
I think the surprising thing is that we're each facing some of the similar challenges. We have issues of how to optimize this data. We have issues of which direction to go first. You know, there's such a demand for what should we do first and prioritization. So I think that was the big aha moment.